Hey there, if you've got a Blackstone griddle that is looking rough, or maybe you just pulled it out of the box, it's brand new. Either way, this video is for you. It's gonna show you how to get it seasoned quickly so you've got a nice nonstick surface ready to cook. And with a good layer of seasoning, it actually adds a hint of flavor to whatever you're cooking, pretty similar to a cast iron skillet. And the best part, it only takes a few minutes. I'm gonna walk you through each step, so let's get into it. All right, so before we season, we are going to degrease the griddle here, just using some dish soap and water. This will help get rid of any oils or greases that occurred during the manufacturing process of the griddle. So once we've got our dish soap on there and have scrubbed it, we're just going to take some clean water, gently rinse it off. And what's really great is the grease trap in the back there allows the water just to run down into the container. All right, so now that we got this washed down, we can dry it off and look to start seasoning. So we're gonna have this on high heat here for about 10 minutes or so. And the top will change color slightly. You might see a little bit of smoke. We're gonna let this really heat up and then we're gonna put some oil on it. All right, it might be kind of hard to see, but the griddle is definitely changing color. It's becoming kind of a tannish right in the middle there. So we're gonna go ahead and put our first layer of oil. And with this step, it's important not to overdo it. You want just a thin layer that'll burn off quickly, because we're gonna be doing multiple layers and that's gonna get you the best seasoning possible. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little canola oil onto this hot griddle. We've got some paper towel and some tongs here, just to keep our hands away from the hot griddle. So we're gonna spread this around. You wanna try and get the entire surface here. This is gonna give you that nice non-stick seasoned surface. So you can see this griddle is literally smoking hot right now. That is the oil burning off. We're gonna go ahead and continue heating it, waiting for that oil to burn off, and then we'll go ahead and put on our next layer, and we'll repeat that process around 3 or 4 times. All right, so it took about 5 minutes or so and the smoke has died off, and we're gonna do our second layer just as we did the first. And one way to tell when the seasoning process is just about complete is the surface should turn kind of a nice dark brown or black, and we're getting that. All right, so we just finished seasoning the griddle here, and you can see how it looks. We've got the nice dark center here in the middle. We could probably continue trying to get the edges a little more, but in reality, as we're cooking on here, we're gonna have plenty of grease and fat that's gonna kind of work those edges and finish seasoning it out. So overall, took about an hour to undergo the process. Slow and steady, thin layers of oil. That's your best bet for success here. Yep, so we got the grill running and you can see it is sizzling hot and cooking up our meal for us.